Link, presented by Financial Center First Credit Union.
Thank you for joining us for this week's Community Link. I'm Caroline Mays Medley. The Minority Health Coalition of Marion County was formed by concerned citizens, health professionals, and advocates who were determined to improve the health status of all minorities in Marion County. Joining Community Link today is Jarnell Burks-Craig. Good morning.
Good morning.
Jarnell, what is the mission of the coalition and why was it needed?
The mission is to create better health for all. It was created in 1986 by the Secretary of Health and Human Services, Margaret Heckler. She formed a task force to investigate racial and ethnic health disparities, and the results were astounding. And so we had leaders like Representative Bill Crawford, Dr. Kathy Russell, who came together and said we need to address the health disparities here in Marion County. So they formed the Minority Health Coalition of Marion County in 1986, and we have been advocating services, educational services, actual hands-on with our clients in order to educate them, for they can improve their lifestyles, which eventually will improve their health.
So talk about some of the specific programs under those services.
We look at 4 different areas that we feel are very high with health disparities. We look at infant mortality. Infant mortality, we host a baby shower every year, and we have community support like Martin Center. The Martin University allows us to come there, and we have professionals like Dr. Lauren Dungy Portress and her husband. They come and volunteer to provide educational opportunities for those that are attending. Lauren is on the maternal and child health side. Her husband deals with the fathers in regards to being a proper father or a parent. We then do a teen summit. We were networking this year with Ivy Tech. They were going to allow us their facility in bringing in kids from all over greater Indianapolis to talk about bullying, talk about e-cigarettes, vaping, self-esteem, mental health. We also have a program that's usually in November. People are waiting in the parking lot for this program, and it addresses the diabetes. We have the renowned Dr. Asamoah, who last year, or the year before last, he actually ran the marathon. We mistakenly scheduled it the same day, but after he finished the marathon, he came to give an update on diabetes. And they do this for free. So we have a great working relationship with people in the community, and we also have with organizations, MedWise, Eskenazi Health, IU Health. They know that we, in order to improve our communities, we have to improve the health status of the citizens that live there.
So, great support from these organizations, but how can the community help?
Volunteer. Volunteer. Allow us to come into your facility for free, offer your expertise in the areas of health disparities. We have infant mortality, we have substance abuse, we have HIV, we have diabetes. It is rampant within the African American community, and the only way we're going to solve it is working together.
Thank you so much. We appreciate all you're doing.
Thank you.
Now here's Gloria Jimenez for more on when the best time to get a flu shot.
Wondering when to get your flu shot? The best time is before influenza starts circulating widely. For most people, September or October is ideal for protection through the whole flu season, as the immune response from the vaccine wanes over time. And while changes and restrictions due to COVID-19 may make getting a flu vaccine less convenient for some this year, the pandemic makes it more important than ever. When it comes to flu shots, data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention tell us that Black, Latino, and Asian adults have lower average flu vaccination rates than white adults. You can check with your doctor and your health plan to find flu vaccines clinics. Vaccines are also available at drugstores, supermarkets, and health clinics, depending on your insurance. The flu vaccine may be free.
Thank you so much for joining us today. This was your weekly Community Link. To share this segment or learn more, head to wishtv.com. We'll see you next week.